Welcome to the Mailboxes, Phonebooks, and Media Files walkthrough. In this video, we'll cover 3 resource tabs in PBX management that support the core communication system. Mailboxes are standalone voicemail boxes, separate from extension voicemail, used for departments, shared lines, and general inboxes. Phonebooks are shared contact directories that power caller ID lookups, speed dials, call screening, and queue priority routing. Media files are the audio library, IVR greetings, queue announcements, hold music, and any custom audio used across the PBX. We'll walk through each tab, covering configuration, use cases, and where these resources connect to other parts of the system. Let's start by logging in. Navigate to PBX Management and click the Mailboxes tab under Resources. This is the standalone mailbox list for Wicked Sprockets. Standalone mailboxes are voicemail boxes that aren't tied to any specific extension. They're used for department inboxes, after-hours general mailboxes, shared team voicemail, or any scenario where you need a voicemail destination that multiple people can access. Extension voicemail is configured directly on the extension itself. The Mailboxes tab here is only for these independent boxes. Each row shows the mailbox number, name, email notification recipient, transcription status, and whether the mailbox is active or disabled. The mailbox number must be unique within the tenant and cannot conflict with any extension number. The Add Mailbox button in the top right creates a new standalone mailbox. Let's click into the after-hours general mailbox to see the full configuration. This is the edit form for the after-hours general mailbox. The mailbox identity card has the core settings. The tenant is locked to the current selection. Mailbox number is the dial code. Callers and call routes use this number to reach the voicemail box. The name is a display label used in destination drop-downs throughout the PBX. Email is the notification recipient. When a new voicemail arrives, the system sends an email with the recording attached. You can enter multiple email addresses separated by commas for team notification. Below that, the features card has the password for checking messages by phone, a transcription toggle that converts voice messages to text using AI, an email voicemail toggle that controls whether recordings are sent to the email address, and a delete after email option that removes the voicemail from the system after emailing. Useful for compliance workflows where messages shouldn't persist on the server. The disabled checkbox deactivates the mailbox without deleting it. Scrolling down, the voicemail greetings card manages the audio callers here before leaving a message. The unavailable greeting plays when a caller reaches the mailbox. This is the primary greeting. The temporary greeting is an override. When set, it plays instead of the unavailable greeting, which is useful for vacations, holidays, or temporary closures. You can upload a WAV or MP3 file, or record directly through the browser using the Record button, which uses the browser's microphone via Media Recorder. Custom greetings show a green badge with playback and delete controls. Below the greetings, the voicemail operator card configures press 0 escape. When a caller presses 0 during the voicemail greeting, the call routes to the destination you select here, an extension, IVR, hunt group, queues, or any other routing target. This lets callers opt out of leaving a message and reach a live person instead. When you're done, click Save Mailbox to apply the changes. Now let's move to Phonebooks. Click the Phonebooks tab in the Resources section. This is the phonebook list for Wicked Sprockets. Phonebooks are shared contact directories that serve multiple purposes across the PBX. Each row shows the phonebook name, its type badge, the contact count, description, whether caller ID lookup is enabled, and the status. There are 4 phonebook types. Normal phonebooks are user-created directories for customers, vendors, or any contact group. The CNAM Plus phonebook is auto-populated. When an inbound call arrives and the system performs a CNAM lookup, the result is cached here automatically for future calls. The Blacklist phonebook contains numbers that are blocked from calling in, and the CRM phonebook holds contacts synced from an external CRM integration. It's read only since the CRM sync worker manages it. Only one CNAM plus, one Blacklist, and one CRM Phonebook is allowed per tenant. The Add Phonebook button creates a new normal-type phonebook. Click the Contacts button on the customer's phonebook to see its entries. This is the contact list view. The breadcrumb shows we're inside the customer's phonebook with a normal type badge. The header shows the total contact count and tenant name. Each contact row shows the name, company, work phone, mobile phone, email, and group tag. Group tags let you categorize contacts within a phonebook: VIP, sales, support, which can be used for filtering and organization. The toolbar at the top has several actions. Add contact opens a form to create a single entry. Import CSV lets you bulk load contacts from a spreadsheet. The system expects a header row with columns like first name, last name, company, phone work, phone mobile, and so on. Export CSV downloads the entire phonebook as a spreadsheet. And delete all removes every contact in the phonebook for a fresh start. Phone numbers are automatically normalized to E164 format on import and save. So whether you enter parentheses, dashes, or plain digits, the system stores a clean international format. Phonebooks connect to many parts of the PBX. When caller ID lookup is enabled on a phonebook, every inbound call checks that phonebook's contacts. If the caller's number matches, their name appears on the phone display and in CDR records instead of the raw number. The CNAM Plus Phonebook provides the same function automatically using external CNAM API lookups. The Blacklist Phonebook blocks calls entirely. Any number in the blacklist is rejected before ringing. Phonebooks can also be assigned to individual extensions. In the Extensions tab, each extension has a phonebook assignment that controls which contacts appear in their phone directory for speed dials. Queue caller priority uses phonebooks too. You can configure a queue to check a specific phonebook and give matching callers higher priority in the queue, so VIP customers reach agents faster. And CRM phonebooks feed contact data to AI agents, enabling caller identification during AI voice calls. All of these features work from the same contact data you manage here. Now let's look at media files. Click the Media Files tab in the Resources section. This is the tenant audio library for Wicked Sprockets. The table shows each file's name, category badge, duration, upload date, and action buttons. Categories organize files by purpose: greeting for IVR and voicemail greetings, announcement for queue and informational messages, music on hold for hold music tracks, and custom for everything else. The play button lets you preview any file directly in the browser. The toolbar on the right has 3 ways to create new audio. Generate with AI Voice opens a text-to-speech modal where you type the script, select an AI voice, and the system generates professional audio automatically. Record opens the browser microphone for direct recording. An upload media file accepts WAV or MP3 uploads up to 20 megabytes. All uploaded audio is automatically converted to the codec formats asterisk needs, including WAV, SLN, and G722, and deployed to every server in the cluster. You also have access to Cloudspire voice platform audio and the full system audio library using the toggle buttons. Media files are referenced throughout the PBX configuration. IVR auto attendants use a media file as the greeting. The menu prompt callers here before pressing a key. Queues reference media files in multiple places: the join announcement when a caller enters the queue, periodic announcements played at intervals while waiting, and the agent whisper announcement that plays to the agent before connecting the call. Conference bridges use media files for join and leave sounds. DID inbound routes can play a pre-route greeting before forwarding to the destination. Call flow toggles can play audio when switching between day and night mode. And music on hold playlists are built from media files tagged with the MOH category. When you change a file's category to music on hold, the system automatically regenerates the MOH playlist on all servers. The in-use badge on the edit screen tells you whether a file is currently referenced by any IVR, queue, or tenant configuration, so you know before deleting whether something depends on it. That covers mailboxes, phonebooks, and media files in the admin console. Here's a quick recap. Standalone mailboxes provide voicemail destinations independent of extensions, ideal for departments, after-hours inboxes, and shared team voicemail. Each mailbox has a unique number, PIN access, email notification with optional transcription, customizable greetings, and a press 0 operator escape. Phonebooks are shared contact directories that power multiple watchers, caller ID name lookup, call blacklisting, speed dials for desk phones, queue caller priority, and AI agent caller identification. 4 types serve different purposes: normal for manual contacts, CNAM plus for automatic caller name caching, Blacklist for call screening, and CRM for synced external contacts. Contacts support CSV import and export with automatic E164 phone normalization. Media files are the audio library, IVR greetings, queue announcements, hold music, and any custom audio. Create files by uploading, recording in the browser, or generating with AI text-to-speech. All audio is automatically converted to multi-codec format and deployed cluster-wide. Check the documentation link below for the complete reference.